Friends, I am really proud of this particular boy who has done this wonderful work. It is wonderful because it is out of nothing. That nothingness takes a place, prominent place in this exhibition. There are objects, but those objects are intrigue, and they catch you in between. मला हेच आवडण्याचं कारण काय आहे की स्कल्पचर अँड मॉडेलिंग जिथे शिकवलं जातं तिथे अशा प्रकारचा विचारच मी कधी पाहिला नाही. आज मी हॅपी आहे. आय एम रिअली हॅपी की इट्स अ डिफरंट थॉट ऑल टुगेदर विच हॅज बीन प्रोजेक्टेड बाय दिस जेंटलमन. I have forgotten his name, but whatever it is, I have got the catalog. But I wish him a great success in future. On the contrary, he should try still better. I have already given him certain criticism. He shouldn't take it easily. What one has to do, should continue doing it, but at the same time, he should analyze himself. He should analyze what he is doing. That is what I told him. All artists, they should know why they are doing what they are doing, how they are doing, and when they are doing. Whether you are a sculptor or painter or graphic artist, whatever it is, but you should know these three things. And that comes from within. You don't have to look around. You just look within and you get what you want. And I really appreciate this gentleman, this young man. It's wonderful. And I wish him all the best. मला आवडलं खूप काम तुझं आणि चांगलं कर काम. ह्याच्यात झोकून दे स्वतःला. आपल्याला त्या कलेला काहीतरी द्यायचं असते ना, ते आपल्या शरीरासकट आपण दिलं पाहिजे. शरीर आहे, मन आहे, इच्छा आहेत, आकांक्षा आहेत, बरंच काही आहे, ते सगळं देऊन टाकायचं इकडे, तर ते फुलतं. बरोबर नाही? हे सगळं तुझं काम फुलेल जेव्हा तू सर्वस्व देशील त्वचा, आणि ती देण्याची ताकद आहे तुझ्यात असं मला वाटतं. ओके, ऑल द बेस्ट.